How to fix horizontal lines on phone screen. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix the horizontal lines that is popping up on your screen. Now, what you can do is, if there is a horizontal line on your screen, first you can use the basic fixes. First, you want to allow your phone to cool down if it is heated. You want to restart your phone. Then you want to go ahead and check for software update. To check your software update, you can simply head into your settings, scroll all the way down below, and then tap on software update option and check for if any update is available. The other way is you can factory reset your phone. On the settings, you can head into the option that says about phone and scroll down and then tap on reset, and then you can go ahead and factory data reset the phone. Now, if this doesn't help, then you might want to go ahead and visit an authorized service center and check for any hardware issues or the issues within your phone as well. So this is the way you can fix horizontal lines on phone screen. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.